because Halloween is coming soon. So let's begin. First, wash your hands because you don't want germs in your food, right?
Right.
And I use funfetti and the ingredients is here. Okay, first half of water, then half oil, then 3 lost eggs.
Yummy.
Okay, let's begin. Don't forget the eyeballs and sprinkles. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, let's start. 150 degrees in the oven. Okay, now let's do. I want to pour everything in the bowl. Then put the water inside. Then the oil. The eggs.
What do you want to do for me?
Mixing it up. Mixing up. The batter has to look like this. Fill up the halfway. It has to look just like this. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Cooled off, now I'm decorating it. And I already decorated one.
Beautiful.
Voila! My cupcakes are done. Do you like it, guys? No. Yeah, do you like it? No.
We love it. Look how beautiful. Good job.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.